You just received a big creative brief. Here's how Dropbox Business ensures that you nail it every step of the way. It all starts in Dropbox Paper, a collaborative workspace designed to help projects come to life. Use Dropbox Paper to invite your team and they're ready to go. This is where your team can find their creative flow. Files preview in Dropbox Paper automatically, so early mock-ups, mood boards and references are easy to see at a glance. Keep everyone on track, assign some tasks and due dates. Make sure everyone is working together. Dropbox seamlessly integrates with the tools you use the most, so you can preview and provide feedback on your team's files no matter what program they're working in. If the designs change, the links stay the same. No more digging through old files. Plus, you can view them offline no matter where you are. So you're ready to share your work? Use Dropbox Showcase. It's a visual tool where your client can review each individual piece of work, making it easier for them and you to track feedback. And of course, clients can preview virtually any audio, visual or text file on Dropbox.com, wherever they are. Changes? No worries. The project files are updated in the same Dropbox folder. And Dropbox Sync means it'll automatically update on your devices. No surprises. You nailed it and it looks good. Dropbox Business lets your whole team stay in flow so you can keep delivering your best work. Try it today.